quick unboxing. SJ-Cam C200 4K stabilization action camera. Wi-Fi ready. 5mm body waterproof, 40 meters waterproof with waterproof housing. Smaller, clearer, more stable. So, yan yung mga kasama niya na nasa loob. Okay. Let's open. So, when you open the box, there, you'll see the manual, which is in, uy, sakto, ang galing ah. Which is in Chinese. Tapos, may certification. And this is the actual camera already. It's a bit small. The size of parang 2 thumbs. Let's open. Kaya natin to. Push. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Here's your camera with only 3 buttons. Button in front and 2 buttons here. For your menu, siguro manual, and then Wi-Fi up and down. Okay. So what's included in the box? So what's included is your 3M. This is for the flat mount. So kunyari ito siya, kaabit mo ganyan. Tingnan mo. Yan. Para na may pa-extra. So there, you have 2 of these. And then your cloth for wiping. And then, may ano yan. Ito. Ito yung may kaabit mo siguro sa ano mo. Kanyari may motor ka. May handlebar dito. Later, we'll look at that. And then, open this. Yeah. Clip on. This is yung mount para sa helmet or sa mount ng bike. And then your Type-C charger. So, I guess this is how it works. Pasok mo dyan. And then, clip. Pwede siya i-clip sa damit or sa bag, sa backpack, ganon. Okay. And then this one, okay. Medyo tricky. Wait. Yun. So, pwede mo dito ikabit sa dito, yung ganyan. Kakabit mo siya para naka-stay. Okay. So, that's it. This is what we have. Waterproof. 2 kinemers in this one. And there's a freebie floating device. Yeah. Okay.